Bathini man. Asame. I Cape Town, doesn't play with us. Yeah, no cap, guys. No cap. Hey, I must face watch out of that spider. That thing is not Timber. Alright. Hey, Pasi, man. Hey. Where's that thing first? Wasn't be up the roof, something like that. I don't want this to kill me. Yeah! Okay, it's not here. But Cape Town doesn't play. Cape Town is like, hey, man, it's raining, guys, here. And really bad. And I'm scared. Like, yeah, man, imagine. It's raining. Cape Town. This is Cape Town, guys. See this? This is Cape Town. I'm telling you. See this? Maybe after hours, it's gonna be the pool. I'm telling you. Ha! It's gonna be the pool, my God. Don't play with this place. Don't play. You see, I'm scared. I'm even scared to get in the dining room, bruh, because I'm still scared of the spider. But yeah, hey, Baba, Cape Town doesn't play, man. Yeah, look, Cape Town doesn't play, guys. Like that. Lendole jongan. Lendole ibis. Yabona ndawo background. Amanzi bebese hamba. Ngoku ngabo phinaza ngaba ngo. Awuphindaze abathini man. Abathini. Yeah. This is like this. I don't know. Cape Town. Don't disappoint. Marawani and disappoint. But hey. Cape Town, I'm gonna try, man. I'll be honest with you guys. Look, hey, it's fighting.
First of all, what's up with the voice?
Yeah, why is it so bright?
Why is the guy streaming?
It's fighting. Hey, Baba, bathi kwenzakala ke umqendo yayi. Bathi holo. Even the building, even this tent fall down water. I don't know what I'm saying, but okay.